This is the tree project, and as you can see they're already starting to make their way over. So this row here we do the main lines down the middle, 2 main lines down the middle. You go all the way down, trees either side. Then we skip the next row for the main line and go to the next one and do the same. Now we've got 2 lines down here down the centre. One on the left is feed, the other one on the right is flush. And the tree ring, as you can see, is connected to that. It goes around the tree twice and then back to feed and flush. Same on this side, then they're backfilling and putting water around it.
Here we have our 2 feed pipes. Both feed pipes run simultaneously when supplying the trees. We actually supply both sides of the trees from one section, which is both pipes simultaneously running. We then move forward. As you can see, the connections here are crossed over. This will be our supplies. Water will flow this way and back through the drip to this side. As it's running, we get full supply, but when we go to flush, we will shut down this line here and all water will only run this direction, back to the flush line, this direction, and back to the flush line. At the end, we will have a solenoid. That solenoid will be opened. We have a non-return valve, so we get no backfeeding of water through. At the cube, we will have 2 solenoids. One solenoid will shut down. The other solenoid stays open for flushing. Hence, the flushing solenoid opens. Because of the non-return valves, we don't get backfeeding, but we get a good scouring effect to run to flushing.
Okay, the whole principle behind the tree rings is to create a wet zone both outside the tree and inside the tent, so that we encourage roots out and down away from the heat. These lines here produce 7 litres per linear metre per hour, and there's 10 metres of this material around the tree. That gives you 70 litres per hour for every irrigation. Now that doesn't mean we have to put 70 litres on every day, it means you're capable of putting 70 litres on. What will happen is the water will come out of this geotextile and just spread through the soil, probably out to about this far and probably about this deep. So then the roots are protected and they have much more volume of soil. You'll get more adventitious roots, so when they'll be less stressed. These are European trees, so they're still suffering from dust. So I'd like to see these washed down now and again to wash the foliage, to allow the stomates on the leaves to breathe. But apart from that, this should give it a very good chance of getting more roots out and therefore